Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl FENUGREEK Beautiful, and in this video I will be sharing 2 amazing ways that you can incorporate fenugreek seeds into your hair regimen for thicker, longer, stronger, and overall healthier hair. So stay tuned. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. So for today's video, I will be using whole fenugreek seeds, extra virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil, amla powder, and aloe vera powder. If you don't already have these ingredients, check out the description box below for direct links to purchase these items at a great price from Amazon.com. For the first method, I will be showing you how to make a simple yet extremely beneficial hairspray. To start, grab a container or bowl and add about a handful of fenugreek seeds to it. Next, add the amount of water to the seeds that will match the ounces in the spray bottle that you will be using. In my case, I'm only making a small 2-ounce bottle. Once you've added the water to the seeds, make sure that they are fully coated, cover them, and let this sit overnight. The next day, you will realize that the fenugreek seeds have expanded and softened. To make the spray, simply grab your spray bottle and strain the seeds. Then you'll end up with this beautiful orange colored spritz. I find it easiest to apply this before I moisturize my hair using the LCO method, but another great way to use this spray is to directly use it on your scalp to boost hair growth. For the second method, I will be showing you how I make my fenugreek infused hair oil featuring amla and aloe vera powder. First, you'll need to add about a handful of fenugreek seeds to a pan on medium-low heat. The lower the heat, the better to avoid burning the seeds. You can roast the seeds over the heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, remove the seeds from the heat, add them to a blender, and grind them up. If you don't have an electric blender, you can leave the seeds whole, skip this step, and then strain your seeds at the end of the process. But if you do have a blender, you want it to be in powder form, something similar to this. Then you're going to grab a pan and heat up the oils, adding in your fenugreek powder, amla powder, and aloe vera powder. Lastly, you can simply strain the powders from the oil mixture, and there you have it. A fenugreek infused oil mixture that you can apply directly to your scalp and hair shaft. Remember that healthy hair grows, and you can treat your hair with Ayurvedic herbs for longer, stronger, and healthier hair strands. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone you know. See you in the next video. FENUGREEK Beautiful.